The highest common factor and least common multiple. So the highest common factor, or HCF, is the greatest number that is a factor of two or more other numbers. So for example, if I want to find the HCF of 12 and 16, so what we need to do is we need to find the factors of 12 and then the factors of 16 and pick the greatest common number. So the factors of 12 are 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 4. Why? Because 1 times 12 is 12, 2 times 6 is 12, and 3 times 4 is 12. So these are the only factors. Now the factors of 16 are 1, 16, 4, 4, 2, 8, and these are the only factors of 16. So the question is, what is the highest common factor? So the common numbers are 1, 1, 4, 4, and 2, 2. So we have three common numbers which are 1, 2, and 4. But the highest common number is 4, so HCF is equal to 4. Now, let's talk about the least common multiple, or LCM. So LCM is basically the smallest positive number that is multiple of two or more numbers. So the multiple of 3, or the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and so on. So every time you are adding 3 to the preceding number. So 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. Now the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. Now again, every time we're adding 5 to the preceding number, so 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20, and so on. Now, the question is, what's the least common multiple? So, let's find the common numbers between 3 and 5. So, the common numbers are 15 and 15. And I think this is the only common number. So the LCM, the least common multiple, is equal to 15.